Hi, my name is Nur Dinie Sajeeda binti Azman and my matric number is A20EC0112, and this is the tutorial on how to implement multiplayer in our rock paper scissors game using Unity. So first of all, you need to download and import Photon Unity Network 2 into your Unity project, and you can go ahead to Photon Engine dashboard and create new app to obtain the app ID. So you can copy and paste the app ID into your Unity project and paste into the file setup, and then you can go ahead create new scene, and you can call it main menu, and in the main menu there will be two buttons where user can choose to play single player or multiplayer. And then in the scene you can create a new game manager game object and attach the connect server script and my scene manager script. And for single player button, you can attach the game manager game object on the on click and go to my scene manager and select change scene, and in the name scene you can name it lobby. And for multiplayer button, on the on click you can drag and drop the game manager and go to select connect server and connect multiplayer. And then for the lobby scene, in the lobby there will be a setting room and waiting scene. So for the waiting scene, it will display the player 1 and player 2, and there will be enter the game button. And in the setting room, user can input the name and input the room number. So in this scene you can create new game object, you can call it game manager, and attach the lobby manager script. So in the script you can create a new element where we can attach where we can implement the player 1 and player 2, and you can attach the game object that required here, which is player name, room number, room setting panel, waiting panel, and start button. And for this script you need to set the maximum number of player and minimum number of player, and in this case you need to set the maximum number of player to 2 and minimum number of player is 1. Next you can create your multiplayer game, and you can duplicate the previous rock paper scissors game scene and name it to game multiplayer. And in this scene you need to replace the computer to player 2, and you need to create new script where we can name it to game manager multiplayer and button multiplayer, and you can attach the game manager multiplayer into the game manager game object. And you also need to attach the spawn player and add the photon view component. And for the button, rock paper scissors and button, you need to attach the button multiplayer script and set the choice value and attach the game manager game object. And then you can build our project. So to build our project you need to add all the scene that we create into the scene build and set the screen size of our project. You can build. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.